Well, hello there, and welcome to my first video in my vlog series. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to show you what my flipped classroom looks like from videos of what is happening. So what we're going to see today is how my classroom starts.
Find a percentage in finding something is a part over a whole equals a percent out of 100.
Those are my 6th graders. And what are they doing? What they are doing is explaining the content from the video they learned from the night before.
So, if there's a problem, I think last time the example was 1% is like so you work line the equal signs up, so it's less.
Let's take a look at my 7th graders.
And then up to 0, it would equal 1.
Well, adding to this, when you have maybe x to the 4th over x to the 2nd, you subtract them, so it would be x squared. Oh, and this is true only when
Number 1, I put them in charge. I don't want them to get in the way of their learning. So what I do is I sit back and let them call on each other. I let them rely on each other and not me, because I want them to learn from each other. They've already gotten the instruction from me at home. Therefore, if they make a mistake, I want the other students to point it out. I know if they made it, but do they? And that's the key thing. And it's actually much harder than it looks. You, as a teacher, you want to jump in if a student's making a mistake. But if you let them help each other, it is way better.
It would be 5 times 5, which is 25, and then you add the negative, because the negative is going to the power.
Yeah. No, just put parentheses.
yeah, you put the parentheses in the bar squared.
Oh, well.
No, you don't.
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't.
Number 2, I don't have a time limit. If we spend 5 minutes having students explain, then we spend 5 minutes. If we spend a half an hour, then we spend a half an hour. There is nothing better than letting kids just keep explaining.
X squared.
Wait, what? 5.
I'll let someone else.
Okay, so let's do a hard one. -5 to a negative power. X squared plus.
Number 3, give up your control. As a teacher, we always want to be in control. But if you let the students take control of your class, you still have it. You still have control of your class, but you're letting them have a voice to which you explain the content to each other.
Another negative to make 3 would make it a negative. And